Hello everybody and welcome back to a brand new video. Before we get into the tutorial, according to my YouTube analytics, about 90 to 80% of you are actually not subscribed to the channel. If you want me to continue making videos like this, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'm aiming for 1,000 subscribers by the end of April, so let's see if that's possible. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I make my Rahaga revamp. As you can see, this one is much more accurate to the film rather than the set. And while I still like the set, it is quite minimalistic. This new build I've made only sacrifices one feature, but it brings in a whole new one. Like the film, we take out the Rahaga spinner, and I've placed a propeller. And you can actually spin this, by the way. Just like with every tutorial on the channel, the parts list is in the description. And I am going to quickly interject here. If you want to make this in the one-to-one color scheme that I have it here in the render, you are going to need to purchase knockoff LEGO parts, as there are many parts on here that LEGO has not yet produced in these certain colors. If knockoff parts are something that you might be interested in, I do have a video on it. It's called Using Knockoff LEGO to Make Better MOCs. Link for that is also in the description below. There are two custom pieces that I do use that you can also just buy on AliExpress and other websites. In almost every single build I have, I use the one-length toe socket piece that you can purchase from AliExpress, and you can use the Technic connector version, which you can also buy from AliExpress and GoBricks. Outside of those custom parts, there are no illegal techniques that are used here. And without further delay, here is the building segment of this video.
Just a dream, or is it true? You're getting blind, you cannot see. Every hour is filled with disbelief. Are my senses playing a trick on me? But now is the time.
So as you can see, that was actually quite an easy build. This uses about 100 parts, which really isn't that bad. If you're using knockoff pieces, this is probably only going to cost you a couple dollars. Of course, while I'm building Norik, feel free to make the other Rahaga as well. I've not currently built this in real life at the moment, as I am currently in the process of moving. But when I do create them in real life, I'll make sure to make a video on it as well. Feel free to apply this to your own builds, and if you're currently working on a MOC of your own, something that's small scale, but this can apply to big scale MOCs as well, definitely make sure to make use of those mixel joints. They give you a lot of room and a lot of range, and by having a lot of room, you can add even more detail. That's it for today's video. If you do end up building this in real life, please make sure to tag me on Twitter or on Instagram. My user is @IgnitionZoneTV, just like the YouTube handle. If you want to see my other tutorials, please make sure to watch my playlist MOC mods. Make sure to tell me what you think of this build, and what other tutorials you'd like to see in the comments below. Once again, if you found this helpful in any way, please consider leaving a like, and if you'd like to see more, please consider subscribing, and I'll see you guys in the next one.